looks like a Maguires commercial, I know. However, it is not a commercial, it is not sponsored. We've been using these products for about 3 years now, and we've seen an immense improvement in the surfaces of both of our vehicles. For the trailer system, it starts with an oxidation remover. The oxidation remover is used to enhance the color and help with surface degradation. It's helping to restore the gel coat and fiberglass to a glossier, more bright white color. This is abrasive enough that it does a really great job of that, however gentle enough that we will not destroy the fiberglass. It's followed by the polish. The polish is used to restore oils to the fiberglass. By doing that and getting it in the pores of the fiberglass, it's able to create a high gloss. So you get that beautiful shine back to the surface. Once that is done and we've got that glossy shine, you can actually feel the moisture on the fiberglass itself, we move on to the wax. The wax is meant to seal that moisture in and protect it from environmental contaminants. So this is a very important step, but it can't be the first one because we want to get all of that grime and oxidation off of the surface. We want to bring the moisture back, and then we want to seal all of that in. So it's important that we do all 3 steps. We've done this almost every 6 months. We have gone longer spans before on the outside of the trailer. The first couple of times we did this, we had to do several coats of both oxidation remover and the polish. This last time was the easiest time we have ever had. Because we've put the extra work in the previous times we've done this, we were able to just do 1, 1, and 1.